I did when I showed my brother and my fidgets. So today I'm going to be showing my brother's fidgets separately, and next video I'm going to be showing my fidgets separately. So let's get started with the video. And these are the first fidget. These are like sticky things. I'm not too sure what they are called. You can stick them together, and if you have two and you make a bubble, you can make a sound. And you can also stick them on certain places. Like here. It's not very sticky, but it easily falls down. This is the third one. It's a bit like an ice cream cone. Next I'm going to show my brother's pockets. So my brother's glow in the dark pocket. This is very loud and poppy. And it's glow in the dark. And this is his car pocket. Very cute and a window. And this is his baby shark pocket. And let me show you the clip of it. I forgot to show you the clip of this car. It's not very loud because it's small. Like that one. I say this one is the loudest one, the glow in the dark. And I have this mini one, which my brother's too. It's not so loud either because it's small. And now I'm going to show you the spinning around things. This is the first one. It has like these things around it. And then this is the poppy side. Very cool. And this is the smallest one he has. You can spin the head around. It can make different types of faces, like a happy one and all sorts of ones. And let me show you the pop of it. On the bottom is the pops, the good pops. And yeah. And this is the last one he has. It is this one. I'm not too sure what the name is. If you do know, then the comments are going down. You can put in the comments. And then you see the pop. So both sides are kind of loud, but this one's more loud. This is my favourite colour on it. Pastel yellow. Okay, now I'm going to show you his bouncy balls. First one, the red one, very bouncy. It's kind of hard to see in the camera. We saw it there, and then he also has this yellow one. And that's the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed. Hope to see you next time. Bye!